Okay, I do believe we are ready here to at least put the ground on. Permanent style. Tin this thing up. There's a lot of solder on it. See if I can get this done quickly and easily. There we go. Okay. We'll leave that alone for now. So there, that's handled. I got these pinched in in order that I wanted them in. But what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to attempt to just hook these wires into their places, and I'm going to test drive just exactly how that's working for us, so that I can make sure that I get the wires in a position where I'm not going to be putting too much tension on them once I put them in there. So they'll either need to be combed that way or that way. Combed meaning the wires will need to be coming off this way or coming off this way. And so I want to solder them as such. What I'm going to do is get the guitar plugged in and on the line, expose the other pickup, and then test which way the switch is pointing, because I want it to be down and running the bridge pickup all the way up for the neck pickup, and then of course the middle will be a combination of the both. So we'll be right back with that set up. Okay, we're set up here. I have it in the center position. It's hooked up to my little gizmo there, my Black Star. I use a tuning fork to test the pickups because I don't like beating them with a screwdriver like I've seen other people do. I don't know if anybody else uses this method, but right now I have it in the switch in the center position, so both pickups should be working right now. That one clearly does. That one clearly does. So now, gently, what I want to do is, let's turn this down to memorize where it was at. So, oops. I guess I had one of them turned up anyway. Anyway, so it's all turned down at the mixer. So what we're going to do here now is we're going to switch it this way and see which pickup works. And bring this back up again. Okay, so that's the bridge position. So what I want to do then is put a red mark. The bridge position, when the switch is in the guitar, I want the bridge position to be, I'm sorry, that's the neck position. Yeah, I think I said that. I want the bridge position to be down. So right now we're switched this way, and it is the neck. So we're going to put a little red ball on there to let us know that that is going to be facing down in the guitar, because that, when I switch it this way, and I'm switched towards where the red ball is, that's going to be my bridge pickup. So So that's how you do it. So when I do this, I want to make sure all the wires are kind of pulled this way. So I may have to shorten this wire here and this wire here and keep that one that long so that I can push everything that way and not have any tension on any of the wires and have them crossing each other and all mushed up. So when I get all that done, we'll be back again for the installation. Thank you very much. Okay, just real quick, I've decided to put some hot glue over the connections to further insulate the dealio here. It's all set up right, I retested it, everything's good to go, it's all soldered. Now it's time for some hot glue. It'll help to, nice pink craft gun here. It'll help to insulate things. Okay, you watched the first half of this video, obviously. You saw me pull the old one out with this fishing line that I left looped through the hole, obviously. Now I am going to hook this little dilly bobber up to the zip zap here. Wrap it around the knob and double knot it, and we'll proceed with pulling this unit back through, hopefully in one piece. This is tough. I thought this would have been the hardest part. Anyway, once we get it through, then we can put the pickup back in, and we'll be done with it. When I get back to the neck on this guitar. You know, there's different kinds of switches. This just happens to be a three-way switch because we have two humbuckers in here. On a Fender and some other types of guitars where you have three pickups, you're going to have a five-way switch. So, which will require more soldering, obviously. And so I'm going to get this tucked in here a little, get some of the tension off of it. There we go. So, and see, now we have the knob pulling through. Now, what I need to do is hold on to this unit here. I want to shorten it, shorten the line so that I can put the hardware on there but still have the fishing line in my hand. Okay, so I've cut that. And first will be the washer that goes between the nut and the wood, so that'll go in there, and then of course the nut will go on there. And now I can hold on to this, because if I was trying to hold on to this and put the nut on there, I wouldn't be able to do it. I'd certainly drop it down in there. I think I need to keep this a little snip too, because I got a little excess over here. Probably going to spend the rest of its life inside the guitar. So now I can get the nut started on there, and voila. And I want to make sure it's oriented straight up and down, which is going to be right there. You can see that still. Here, I'll do it this way. So before I tighten down the nut, I want to make sure that I'm oriented in the right direction. And I can even test that. And I know it all works, so I'm just going to make sure that we're on the bridge pickup right now. And we are. Victory. So now I'm straight up and down. Switch is in. I don't need the string on there anymore. Take the razor blade and carefully trim it off. And discard. Put some hot glue strands on there. Discard all this stuff. And there it is. New switch. Not perfectly straight up and down, but you know what? It's a dandy. And it works. That's the most important part. And it has a knob on it. So no more cutting my arm on it. So hopefully, if you decide to change your switch, you have as much fun as I did. Next will be, of course, the neck. The fret wire will be filed. We'll file that and polish, crown and polish the frets, and then it'll be on to string time.